as the results start trickling in tomorrow, all eyes are now on the big day. Ahead of this crucial moment, BJP leaders gathered at the party chief JP Nadda's residence to discuss preparations for the vote counting. The Bharatiya Janata Party has instructed the counting agents from all booths to be present for the big day.
जब मतगणना होगी तो पूरे देश के प्रदेश के मतगणना की रचना जो लगनी चाहिए प्रॉपर पार्टी की ओर से, जिस प्रकार सभी बूथ पर काउंटिंग एजेंट सही समय पे पहुंचे, कहां पर कितने नियुक्त हुए, अभी नहीं नियुक्त हुए, कुछ दिक्कत कहीं पर है क्या, कहीं पर वोटिंग को लेके काउंटिंग को लेके कुछ अगर शंका है तो वहां पर पार्टी के पदाधिकारी विशेष ध्यान दे। ऐसी सारी चर्चा, एक तरफ चुनाव की समीक्षा और आने वाले काउंटिंग की पार्टी की तैयारी, इस पर एक विस्तृत चर्चा आज हम सब ने बैठकर की।
Now, concerns have been raised about the integrity of the counting process with accusations of potential interference as well. BJP's Amit Malviya took to Twitter claiming that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has ordered one officer and two constables to be stationed at the counting centres, alleging this is an attempt to influence the counting and steal the mandate. The BJP has submitted a list of these officers and constables to the West Bengal Election Commission seeking its intervention. Earlier, remember, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh posted on social media alleging the Union Home Minister Amit Shah made calls to 150 district magistrates just days before the vote count. The Election Commission has requested factual information and details regarding these claims. Now, amid all of these narratives, Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar assured that the entire counting mechanism is robust and meticulously codified to prevent any errors in the procedure.
काउंटिंग का और सारे इलेक्शन प्रोसेस का एक बहुत ही रोबस्ट सिस्टम है। हम नहीं समझते किसी दूसरी जगह में इतना रोबस्ट सिस्टम हो सकता है जहां एक एक पार्ट डिसाइडेड है। कल 6 बजे क्या होना है, 6:15 क्या होना है, 6:30 क्या होना है, एक पार्ट खुलेगा तब दूसरा जाएगा, किस जगह में कैंडिडेट होना है। काउंटिंग का भी ऐसे ही पूरा प्रोसेस कोडिफाइड है।
Rishabh, my colleague, is joining us with more on this. Rishabh, all arrangements in place by the Election Commission for tomorrow's big day, even as narrative and counter-narrative have, set in, the political war of words continues between the BJP and the Congress as well as the opposition parties, clearly making their way for the big day tomorrow. But get us the latest of what's happening right now.
Well, definitely, all eyes on the counting tomorrow. Everyone is waiting with a bated breath what happens tomorrow, given that exit poll has given a clear mandate to the incumbent government. The opposition say that these are not the exact polls and wait for 4th of June. So beat opposition, beat the government in power. Both the sides are hopeful now, while there are meetings after meetings happening in BJP, be it Prime Minister meeting Nitish Kumar, his long-term ally from Bihar, or for that matter, JP Nadda meeting all the senior leadership of BJP, planning what to do next and how the BJP will celebrate this term, the third consecutive term for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Congress party is also meeting all its leaders. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge met the contestants from Congress party, told them how to conduct themselves on the day of counting. But Election Commission of India is also all set. We heard from the Election Commissioner himself that how the robust counting system will work tomorrow, how the postal ballots that were being questioned will be first opened only after 30 minutes from then. The EVMs will open and then both these will start being counted simultaneously. Postal ballots given small in number will definitely be finished before the EVM counting ends. So Election Commission of India putting a full stop to all the allegations that were being made against them. Election Commissioner even started his press conference saying that the Lapata gentleman, remember this term was being used on social media for the Election Commission during the election. He said that the Lapata gentlemen are here. We chose not to speak to media or people and use the press releases to communicate because that we thought is a better medium of conversation, an official medium of conversation. Now the Election Commissioner say that Election Commission has done an incredible job given that there hasn't been a single incident of major violence throughout the 7 phases. 504 repollings took place back in 2019.
Right,
this time
Rishabh.
it was only 39, out of which 25 were in state of Arunachal and Manipur. 27 states didn't see a single repolling in these elections.